In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled due to suspicious activity. The first thing you want to do is check if your Snapchat is updated. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store, then search for Snapchat. If you find the update option, tap on it. Using the latest version helps fix bugs and prevent login issues. Now, open Snapchat, head over to the login page. Here, tap on Forgot Your Password option. Now, you will be asked how you want to reset your password. You can choose via phone number or via email. I'm going to select via email. Now, enter your email address over here. After that, a code will be sent to your email address. Go ahead and check that code, then paste it over here. After verification, you will be prompted to set a new password. If not, you will be directly logged back into your account. You should now be able to access your account without the temporarily disabled error. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.